Alright, what's up boys? B200R back with another video. We're gonna fix up the bike. Oh yeah. We did a lot of damage the last time we rode, but it's been a while. Finally getting her back out. We're gonna fix her up.
This thing's barely attached right here.
Well, it's not even attached. It's
basically
just,
a failed.
we got a lot of fixing to do, as you can see. New straight pipe, especially on this side. Everything's loose. Kickstand doesn't have a spring, so it just hangs down. Let him say circ and then beep. Oh yeah. Time to get to work.
Because when we were riding out there last time, one of these bolts completely fell off. A fender nut from the fake gas tank on the other bike. Bolt was from my brake lever, and it worked. Just put that on there, cinch it down tight. We made it home. The rest of it loosened up.
It was a miracle we made it back.
You got anything to add, Judah?
There's been a lot of fixing here, but I know Brad can do the job.
Oh yeah. Did some damage.
Did some damage in
Paint
here.
damage.
You see that?
Yeah.
Behind there. All right.
There he is.
Nice.
Boom.
Sure.
Get this off.
Not bad.
Sure.
Holding the gas line.
I'm gonna teach him how to do a quick carb clean. Take him out. Oh crap! Is there a screw over there, Kevin?
Probably.
Because there's not one right here.
Oh shoot.
I already drilled out the jet to a 120. Because most of the time for these bikes, if you run a straight pipe and carburetor like this with a good air filter, you'll need more fuel than just the 95 jet air compressor. See, you got that wrench over here?
Yeah.
Then you take them out. They're both clear. Put it all back together. Thread them back in. Get a carb clean. Throw that back on. Tighten her up. This guy's what's always loose. I didn't like the blue either because it had a blue air filter, a blue intake. We got a red air filter and a black intake. That way this thing looks a little bit better. Can't mix and match colors. This ain't kindergarten. Yeah, these are bad. And I don't know why there's two on there. That was probably my fault.
No.
It was my fault. Find something in here.
Ooh, dual exhaust.
Look at this.
Oh yeah.
Pretty nice.
I just
This
think
is the straight pipe kit 3000. We have everything you kind of need. So long pipes, short pipes, red.
Yeah, that's it.
Good choice, sir. Organized this whole place a long time ago, but we got paid in food, which is good.
Here's the payment, especially for Judah. He does not get fed at his house. He needs more food, so he comes to Brady's house. Flow it out to the side.
Yeah.
Good. Oh shoot.
So we'll do this, and then
You should cut it like.
yeah, we'll cut it, and then we're gonna turn it.
The
Yeah,
exhaust, I just
No,
feel
I got
it the
this.
whole entire time.
like this, right there.
You know, like this.
Yeah, I gotta get this on. Y'all hungry or what?
Yeah.
Good.
Judah's hungry.
That's why y'all are here. I'm paying y'all in food.
The only reason.
I'm kidding. It's a joke, YouTube.
Hop on, join the squad. Gamer tags in the comments. We'll hit you up. Judah's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are real people, not
Bots.
indentured servants.
Yeah.
YouTube. They're real.
Blink twice if you need help.
All right. So here's the remainder of the pipe. Oh, I got him. Here.
Ready, that's the intro. Oh, it's coming off.
Here, just one tug.
Pull.
Hey,
All right.
Yeah.
good job.
Come in closer, real quick.
Hey, wait, hold on.
We're a family.
That's how
here.
you get it done. Hey,
We're a family here. Everybody puts their hand on the work. Basically,
I like the smell of gas. The leg goes like.
Kevin is going on top.
This at home. Only Kevin's can do this.
Oh, that's
We got
chilling.
plenty of room.
But I would lean more. It would be like kind of.
Yeah, as long as if we tuck it like there, and then it'll be heat wrapped up until this point. All right, here I got a stool for you.
Yes, sir, Kevin.
Hey, Brady, get the.
This is bad, bro. Oh well.
No, we can weld. Judah decided to eat a whole Jersey Mike sub before coming here, so he's got some work to do.
Yeah, he's got to earn it now.
Get it in there, Judah. Get it in there.
He needs a hat.
Get it in there. Push.
Lincoln Electric. Got the weld pack, 140. It's probably fine. On the pipe, cut it at an angle here, and then I can twist or trim based on how I want this to stick out. This pipe's a lot thicker than the other one. The plan...
Do it the right way.
I definitely did it the wrong way. I can make it work. Wouldn't I still see that if I'm colorblind? Because it's... I know it's purple, but it's on a... Oh, well.
I mean, the mark didn't do anything last
time. Well, you know what they say. Measure once, cut twice. It's supposed to be the other way around. That's a lot better. This muffler is pretty big. I really like this muffler. Pipe's too small for it, so I have this. It's kind of a cool looking muffler.
What's so
it's
funny,
kind of
Brady?
a cool. This is a cool muffler.
Why is it cool?
It's a cool looking muffler.
You can hit it with a hammer.
So it'll stick out a little bit. Might as well get to welding.
Hey.
It's been a while since I've welded, as you can tell. Can't blame everything on surgery. Sometimes you have to. The goal is to not burn holes in this thing. It actually looks pretty good.
Done?
Yep. Yeah.
You weld it?
Yeah. Couple of holes in there. Well, it looks like holes. It's porosity or something like that, I think. Now, it's for the real fun. You still rolling?
Yeah.
Cut the threads off of this one. Cut this pipe in half. Something like that.
Yeah.
How do we like that angle?
Oh yeah.
It's not bad. It's good distance from the frame too.
Yeah.
And it's kind of like a shorty pipe.
Yeah, I like it.
What did the blind man say to the deaf man?
I can't hear it.
He said nothing. Or wait. I don't even know how it goes. How did I just weld that on with no ground clamp? Okay, that worked somehow. Yeah. Back in the office. Look if you want to go blind.
Whoa.
All right, we're clear. All right, well, this one looks a lot better. The first ones, look at that. First time welding in months. So,
Pretty good.
I'm gonna call that good. That's what I'm talking about. Maybe you should tag me so I can get a girlfriend.
I did.
Hell yeah.
I mean, it looks pretty good. A little smaller than expected, but I think we'll get the job done.
Yeah, I've had to agree with everything Judah said. It looks good. Brady welded that thing together. We're ready for business.
Took a little long because I'm a little bit rusty. A little rusty, but got it done. Well, it's okay. I say we take out a couple of portions of his food, give him some motivation to weld better. We just gotta heat wrap it, put the intake stuff on. I got a new intake. All the stuff we got that we're using in this video, linked below on Amazon. Comes with the bolts and this gasket, which goes right there. A special type of nut. Hopefully that keeps it from falling off. But I'll show y'all what I like to do. Got a new screw for the carburetor as well. So we're using the old ones that I got somewhere. They just have a little bit bigger of a head, more grip with these. This is like textured line thing.
Oh yeah.
A little bit of Loctite on here.
We got it on there. Just gotta tighten it up. Doesn't fit.
Oh, it does.
You got enough tools here, buddy? Yeah, buddy. Get that fool. See ya.
We sacrificed the Allen wrench. He is now Shorty.
Oh yeah. See, sometimes less is more, you know? People always like to do a lot and think it's always better. But you just stay simple, just make some sacrifices. It's not always gonna look pretty, but gets the job done. Got it on there. You know, in dirt biking, it always takes twice as long as you think it does. Just a good helpful tip. Whenever you think you're gonna do something, times by 2.
Wired around these two. Wired around these two. Double nutted on this side. You can only fit one nut on that side because the carburetor.
If this thing comes off, it's gonna be a bad day. There it is.
That I did underneath. There.
All right, boys. The last one was it was a little longer. It came out to like here, and it was a little more flimsy. So, as you saw, it broke. But we got a more sturdy, smaller straight pipe. Nice exhaust right here. Looking good. The new air filter matched the bike. We made sure it's not falling off. Oh yeah.
I think me and Kevin did a pretty good job on this one. Intake and carburetor should not come off. I'm proud of how everything turned out. I really like this exhaust. We ran out of time to get to the kickstand. Trying to get this video out tomorrow. So we'll get that another day. But we gotta go test ride this thing. Just keep it coming slow.
Oh yeah. It's not gonna blow up when I try to start it.
I hope not.
Oh.
That was pretty good.
Oh yeah. That's how you do it right there, boys. The Taha in action. That's pretty good, bro. No, that's good, bro. One day, fix her up, get her going.
Thanks for watching the video. We'll see y'all on the next one.
Thanks and gig 'em.